In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube TV to Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the standard YouTube application or YouTube TV on any Smart TV is incredibly simple. This will work for a Fire Stick, Fire TV, Samsung TV, LG TV, whatever you have. All that the TV needs is the capability to download additional applications. So from the home screen of the TV, check to see if you have the YouTube or YouTube TV app automatically installed. Sometimes they will be bundled right away. In this example, the YouTube TV app is nowhere to be seen. So what we have to do is go over to the search icon, so look for the magnifying glass and select it, and then search for YouTube TV. It's just like downloading any application for your smartphone. So you look for the particular application, it is going to appear, YouTube TV. You select it and then you install the app on your smart TV. If your smart TV doesn't have YouTube available or it doesn't give you the option to download additional applications, and sadly there isn't much that you can do. In this particular case, this one supports it, so you look for YouTube TV, you open the app and then sign in with your account. You will be guided through the process. Usually you go to a website on a web browser on your computer or your phone, import a code displayed here, and your account alongside all of the algorithm and its recommendations will be imported over. And you also have the standard YouTube app. So if you go back to the home screen, so in this example on an LG TV, you go to the home screen and you will find the YouTube and YouTube Kids app. Once again, if you don't have it, you go over to the All Apps tab or you look for the magnifying glass icon. It depends on the model, and you look for the YouTube application once more. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.